Hello my friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. It's a starting point for most crochet pieces. Start by wrapping your yarn in a pretzel-like shape. You can see the two diagonal lines inside the knot. Find the part closer to the working yarn. Now pinch it with your fingers and pull up, holding the rest of the knot with your other hand. Now tighten the knot. It's time to insert the hook in the loop. Once it's in, tighten the loop on the hook by pulling one of the strands. To make crocheting easier, the working yarn should be farther away from you and the yarn end closer to you. You are now ready to make a chain stitch. Thanks for watching.